Did you know there's a square in Munich where the buildings literally come to life every single day? Welcome to Marienplatz, the absolute soul of Munich. We are standing right in the middle of Munich's incredible history. And it is absolutely packed with beauty and magic. We're standing in the exact spot where Munich's story began. Marienplatz, which means Mary Square, has been the main square of Munich since the year 1158. The architecture is pure Bavarian perfection. It feels like we stepped straight into a medieval fairy tale. Let's talk about the star of the show, the new town hall. It looks like a giant elaborate castle. It has over 400 rooms, but everyone is here for one thing, the magnificent clock tower. You can climb to the top for amazing views, but trust me, the real action is happening right here looking up. We're waiting for the famous Glockenspiel. This huge clock has been putting on a show for over 100 years. It features 43 bells and 32 life-sized figures that reenact to major events from Munich's history. Everyone gathers around holding their breath, waiting for those little dancers. Marienplatz isn't just about buildings, it's about the atmosphere and the life here. What an incredible experience! Marienplatz isn't just a square, it's a living museum and the beating heart of Munich. If you're ever in Bavaria, you have to be here. And for more amazing non-stop travel adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to show you what's next.